There is a scientific reason to have cold masala milk in moonlight. According to Ayurveda, the pitta or acidity aggravates at the end of monsoon season. This also signifies the harvest festival. This is the reason why cooling foods are recommended to neutralize the pitta and balance it. The consumption of cold milk and rice flakes is supposed to be a good remedy for pitta. Kojagiri Purnima is also known as Ras Purnima. Devotees worship goddess Lakshmi on this day for prosperity. It is also known as goddess Lakshmi's birthday. It is also believed that Sharad Purnima is the only day in a year where moon comes out with all 16 colors. That is why we see moon's reflection in the milk and have it. Happy Kojagiri Purnima to all. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye.